Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will delve into the DTC P0506, which stands for Idle Control System RPM lower than expected. This specific DTC indicates that the engine's RPMs are lower than what the Engine Control Unit, ECU, anticipates during idle. The Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016 are equipped with an engine control module, ECM, that uses data from several sensors to manage engine performance, including idle speed. The critical components affected by this issue typically include the throttle body and various sensors like the engine coolant temperature, ECT, and intake air temperature, IAT sensors. These components play significant roles in maintaining optimal engine performance and ensuring the vehicle idles smoothly. Our goal is to systematically troubleshoot this error code, starting from the initial verification processes to more detailed inspections and repairs. The DTC P0506 highlights a malfunction within the idle control system, primarily indicating that the RPM at idle is sustaining lower readings than expected. The throttle body is a critical component in this system, as it regulates the airflow into the engine, controlling the idle speed. This unit is usually located at the intake manifold and is directly connected to the accelerator pedal's position. The ECT sensor measures the temperature of the engine coolant, which influences fuel delivery based on engine heating. Meanwhile, the IAT sensor checks the temperature of the air entering the engine, which affects the air-fuel mixture for combustion. The idle strategy is affected when any of these components malfunction, causing improper engine behavior. It is crucial to have a clear understanding of the role and location of each component related to the DTC, as this knowledge will guide us throughout our troubleshooting process. Several possible causes can lead to the P0506 error. One prevalent issue is dirt or carbon accumulation in the throttle body, which can obstruct airflow and disrupt idle control. This buildup typically happens over time and can alter throttle operation. Another possible cause is a faulty throttle body itself. If it's damaged, it may not respond accurately to the engine's demands, leading to incorrect RPM readings. Additionally, malfunctioning sensors, such as the ECT or IAT, can provide incorrect data to the ECU, causing it to miscalculate idle speeds. Moreover, improper connections or wiring harness issues can also contribute to the intermittent nature of this code, as they affect the signal communication between components. Understanding these potential causes lays the foundation for effective diagnosis and repair of the DTC P0506. When a DTC like P0506 is present, several symptoms may manifest, signaling the driver to take action. A common symptom includes a rough engine idle, where the engine may vibrate or produce erratic sounds when at rest. Drivers might also observe unexpected RPM fluctuations, where the engine's revolutions per minute can drop significantly below normal operational levels. This erratic behavior not only affects drivability, but also implies underlying issues that could escalate if left unaddressed. Additionally, the check engine light on the dashboard will likely illuminate, alerting the driver to a potential problem. If these symptoms are noticed, it's crucial to perform a thorough diagnostic assessment to pinpoint the exact cause, ultimately leading to a solution that restores optimal vehicle functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0506 involves confirming the code using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Start by turning the ignition switch to on, position 2. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Using the HDS, clear any stored DTCs to reset the system. After clearing codes, start the engine and hold the RPM at 3,000 without load, meaning the vehicle should be in park or neutral. Continue maintaining this RPM until the radiator fan activates. Then allow the engine to idle for at least 20 seconds. This procedure is essential as it sets the base conditions for evaluating sensor readings and RPMs, which will be checked next. Keep these details in mind as we move forward to ensure an accurate assessment. Step 2 requires a visual inspection of the throttle body to ascertain its condition. Begin by carefully removing the intake air duct that connects to the throttle body. This step is critical in gaining access to the throttle bore, which can be the source of the issue. Once the duct is removed, closely inspect the throttle body for any dirt, carbon buildup, or physical damage that could impede its function. This inspection is crucial because any blockage or wear in the throttle body will directly affect airflow and consequently idle RPMs. If dirt or carbon is detected, clean the throttle body thoroughly, ensuring no residues are left behind. In cases of significant damage, replacement of the throttle body may be necessary. This step is vital for maintaining proper airflow and preventing persistent idle issues. In this step, the throttle body check must be repeated to confirm its condition after any maintenance performed. Begin by removing the intake air duct again to allow for a thorough inspection of the throttle bore. Look for signs of dirt, carbon, or damage remaining inside. If any contaminants are found, cleaning is essential to restore functionality. Additionally, also check the air cleaner element for any damage or blockages, which could contribute to engine performance issues. This holistic approach ensures that both airflow into the throttle body and the body itself are functioning optimally. Once the inspection and any required cleaning are completed, undertake a repair verification process to ensure that the initial issues have been addressed. It is crucial that this thorough examination is executed to prevent the recurrence of the DTC P0506. The final troubleshooting step involves closely monitoring critical parameters to assess the status of the idle control system. First, turn the ignition switch to the on position and ensure all previous DTCs are cleared using the HDS. Subsequently, start the engine and keep it at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates and idles for at least 20 seconds. With the engine idling, utilize the HDS to check specific parameters in the data list, including the ECT sensor value and IAT sensor value, verifying they are within specified ranges. Additionally, ensure that the vehicle's speed reads 0 miles per hour and the short-term fuel trim falls between 0.69 and 1.47. Monitoring the onboard diagnostics OBD status for DTC P0506 again is crucial to determine if the code appears as passed or failed, guiding the next steps in the troubleshooting process. This step focuses on verifying that all repairs have been conducted correctly and that the issue has been resolved. Start by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, 0, to ensure all systems are off before reconnecting any connectors. After reconnecting, turn the ignition switch back to the on position 2. It's crucial to reset the powertrain control module, PCM, using the HDS, resetting communication between sensors and the engine control unit. Following this, execute the PCM idle learn procedure to help the engine correctly adapt to the new settings and conditions. A successful idle learn not only sets the idle speed, but also fine-tunes engine performance. These steps should effectively ensure that the previously indicated DTC P0506 no longer persists. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0506, it's essential to follow a regimen of preventive maintenance. This should include regularly cleaning the throttle body to reduce the buildup of dirt and carbon. Scheduling routine checks for the air cleaner element will also help maintain proper airflow into the engine, vital for achieving optimal performance. Additionally, regularly monitoring the functions of key sensors like the ECT and IAT can preemptively indicate potential issues before they escalate. Implementing these maintenance procedures will contribute to the longevity of engine components, enhance overall vehicle performance, and reduce vulnerabilities to error codes like P0506. Proper care and ongoing vigilance will ensure a smoother driving experience. To conclude, DTC P0506 signifies that the idle control system's RPM is lower than expected, pointing to underlying issues potentially affecting engine performance. Understanding the critical components involved, such as the throttle body and the various sensors, helps in effectively diagnosing the error. Throughout our troubleshooting process, we recognize the systematic steps necessary for identifying and rectifying the problem. From initial checks to deeper inspections, each stage plays an essential role in resolving the DTC. Finally, we discussed preventive maintenance practices to sustain optimal performance and avoid future occurrences of this error code. With diligent care and timely interventions, drivers can ensure their Honda CRV remains in top operational condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.